Three Musketeers.
Oh, I'm pregnant.
In Mama and Dad's room. What do you got, dude?
Oh, I got a Saint Bernard.
Saint Bernard?
Yes.
How'd that happen?
Oh.
I have to pee.
There's this Saint Bernard named Ken. But he's dead now.
What happened?
I told him to never play with matches. I'm sorry. Okay. Now I have to look after his baby. Okay, stop.
Paige, how you doing? Did you sleep okay last night?
Yeah, that's alright.
Chris? Did you sleep okay? Yeah.
That's it.
You still crying, dude? You okay?
I miss Ken.
Ken the Saint Bernard? That's awkward. Okay, so right now, the kids, everyone's getting ready. We're gonna go downstairs, and if you see, like, the party is like right here. So, like, follow me. If you look out there, there's like a big event about to start. You get to the right. There you go. Okay, so we're gonna see what that's all about. We'll cruise that street, maybe get some food, something like that, and then we'll probably go to Seven Falls afterwards. So let's have some fun today, and glad you're here for the journey.
What's going on? Oh, it's not a camera. I thought it was a Canon. Good thing it's not. It's a Lumix. I thought it was a Canon. I don't like Canons more than anything.
Good, good. What y'all think about that so far?
Good. I want to go back actually.
What's it called again?
The
Something.
trading days. You wanted to go back though? I do. It's not as busy.
Whenever we first got here, I didn't like it because right when we walk through the door, all we see is this ginormous stairs.
Yeah.
I have to go to the bathroom.
I can't go any further.
You can stay. I'll just take the bag.
Alright, see you later, sucker. We'll leave you behind.
Alright, guys. We're gonna go to Seven Falls now. I've never been there, so I'm probably not gonna be able to do a tour because I don't even know where anything is. So I hope we have some fun.
Oh. Actually making it up the hill.
100%.
Or the stairs.
We got this.
Hey, I'm rude.
Chris, you feeling pretty good?
I can't breathe. Oh, look at these flowers.
Squirrel. How out of shape we are, though.
Yeah, for sure.
So
My legs are shaky right now. If I go all the way, I probably will be just jello.
you can do it. I believe in you.
Thank you.
We made it. We made it. How you feeling?
I just didn't look up.
Just kept going.
I just stared at each step, the one right in front of me.
You stopped for a second though.
Yeah, because I was gonna die.
Almost died.
I nearly died, folks. I nearly died. Thank God I have ninja skills, and I was able to grab onto the fence. Otherwise, you'd be talking to a dead woman.
If that fence wasn't there, you would have been screwed.
Yeah. It was very slippery. And
Hey.
not from slippery from water, it was slippery from little bitty tiny rocks and sand mixed together. And you step down, and I lost my footing. I probably could do it in slow motion, but I'm not going to.
Yeah. All right. Well, I'm glad you're okay.
Dude, I kind of really want to.
Guys, get back over here.
Oh my God, a bear!
That's where 3 kids died last week. Grizzly bear attack.
Often than we do.
Okay, so Seven Falls is really cool. We are headed back now to the
To the stairs.
to the stairs. Go back down that, which is going to be fun. So, yeah, see if Don can hang here.
I thought there was an elevator.
There's no elevator.
There is an elevator, it just didn't go where I thought it would, and so we have to actually walk back down the stairs.
Okay, so let's get there, get some food, and then figure out what the next adventure is going to be. Don, can you do this?
I don't have much of a choice. Yeah, probably.
Oh, good job, Don. You made it.
I did, and I survived.
So we are, what, 12,000 feet almost?
Yeah.
Kids are getting scared. I'm getting a little shaky, getting a little sweaty here.
I'm shaking because
Dude, this is...
I mean, we could just drive off into heaven right
Dude, no, don't even say that, man. Holy crap, we are up over the clouds.